The opposite lanes are there, up there. Oh look, we have Bulgarian lady. Oh my god. Even during this weather. Hello and welcome. Welcome. Oh yeah. Welcome, welcome. That's a blonde one. Oh my god. That's very beautiful. Oh my. I would stop for her. Like, right here. Look. Welcome, welcome. Look at this. Something is here. Oh my god, it's just... What is this? I don't know if I can cut the corner or not. We are not sliding. Wow. Nice, nice. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't do it. Okay, so we are on the highway. Yes, we are on the highway. Look at this. Okay, so we are going. I took like 10 parking places for normal cars to park here. That's a stop sign, but don't worry, this sign is not for us. And you know what? We are going to Mersin. And there is a police and they will probably ask me some questions. We are slowly leaving Russe behind. Yes, very slowly. As you can see, road is kinda wet, which is not good, you know, it is not good because tarmac is not the best quality here. Look at this road. Look. It's nice. I mean the view, yeah, the view. The opposite lanes are there, up there. And that's basically the end of city of Russe. Yeah. I have actually 226 kilometers and Google Maps is saying 3 hours 8 minutes. I have 3 hours 21 minutes of driving time, so it should be fine, but even though we have just country roads and sometimes we can drive more than the speed limit, but sometimes we are not able to drive even with the speed limit, yeah, because we have to cross the mountains. So I don't know, it's very debatable, you know, very questionable if we can make it or not without taking another 45 minutes break. I don't know, it would be nice, yeah, because I don't want to lose time, but we'll see. And somewhere here we can actually meet Bulgarian ladies, but I think they are not here. It's cold, yeah, it's -3, but I don't know. Oh look, we have Bulgarian lady. Oh my god. Even during this weather. Hello and welcome. Welcome. Just one? I think there is a second one. I'm not sure. I think so, yeah. Oh yeah. Welcome, welcome. That's a blonde one. Oh my god. That's very beautiful. Oh my. I would stop for her. Like, I would stop for her. You know, like, we are going back. We are no, we are not going back. God damn. Temptations everywhere. Let's focus on the job, yeah? We need a job. We have a job and we need to do our job, yeah? That's the main purpose. I'm still thinking about going back, yeah? That's the parking where I'm usually stopping for a break, yeah? Very nice parking, very nice restaurant. A Turkish restaurant, yeah? Turkish owners. Oh my god, this Bulgarian lady, like, she was young, she looked like, I would say 18, like 19 maximum, something between 16 and 19, something like that. Okay, we are going actually 60 because there's a speed camera on the right. On the right. Right here, look. Welcome, welcome. To be honest, at one point I had like 62 per hour, yeah, or 63, but that's a margin of error for a speed camera. Not in every country, yeah. In Switzerland it's 50 and you are doing 51, ticket. Whoa, that was the last speed bump, yes. Oh, look at this small home, oh my god, looks so nice. And right now we are entering mountains, yes. What time do we have? 4:40 p.m. So we are going to have kinda nice weather because the sky is clear, road is dry, and we still have sunlight. So yeah, it's good, it's good. From here I still have 130 kilometers to our destination. Google Maps is saying 1 hour 47 minutes and I have 1 hour 58 minutes of driving time. So maybe I can do it without taking a break, maybe. We'll see. For now it's just me, this truck, mountain road, and hope that I will survive it, yeah? Oh look, here we have people. Yeah, they are checking if we have vignette, but we have box, so we don't worry about it. But I was passing a lot of police controls on the way, a lot, you know, a lot. Okay, so we are climbing and for now it is not so bad. Road is okay, mostly. Yeah. There's no one in front of me that is going 20 per hour. But behind me, yeah. Look at this. Something is here. Oh my god, it's just... What is this? I don't know if I can cut the corner or not. What is here? Nothing. Okay, maybe this truck was here before, but now it is not. Okay. Are we going to slide or not? We are not sliding, wow. Nice, nice. We have 26 kilometers to the end of it. I mean the mountains. And we have still 88 kilometers to company, but fortunately we managed to keep additional 10 minutes of time. For now, constantly. Are we going to slide here? Nope. Nope. Okay. Road is not wet, you know, it's like in some parts. Oh my god, we have holes, we have holes! Whoa, whoa, whoa! My trailer was almost in the snow at the end of the tarmac, but we are professionals, right? Ah, my ears are just blocked. Yes, we are going to overtake him. We have to. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't do it. Nice. And right here actually we are going to have a single lane. Yeah, that's the top and we are going down. Yeah, we need to watch out when going down. Oh my god, look at this view. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, we are going down. Braking time and oh yeah, we have some new holes. Come on. Whoa, whoa. Okay, even more braking because that's 180 degrees corner. Holy. Okay. And the next one, but this one is okay. And the next one, but this one is almost 90 degrees, almost 90. It would be like 85, yeah, something like that. Okay, we can let it go for a while. We'll gain some speed and we'll brake again. Yeah, and that's how it's going to be for the next, I guess, around 10 kilometers, yeah, maybe a bit less. And after this 10 kilometers, road will still go down, but gently, you know, gently. Oh yeah, we have to brake. Yeah, this guy is going really, really slowly. Oh my god, we are stopping or what? Like, the speed limit is 40, you know, I get it, but, you know, we are doing like 29. Okay, so we have passed mountains. Those mountains here. Not so high, but, you know, still. And okay, we have 60 kilometers. This express road will take us to highway. And I hope that people on this express road, I hope that they will drive with some decent speed, okay, because it's just, you know. Okay, so we are on the highway. Yes, we are on the highway. Look at this. 10 minutes of driving time left. I have 5 kilometers to this company. It should be okay, it should be okay. Those emotions, you know, the guy is overtaking. I'm not going to overtake this guy in front of me because I'm going to stop there in McDonald's. Yes, we are going to McDonald's. Like, I don't have driving time, yeah? So I can be parked next to McDonald's, you know, for a few minutes because it's going to be only working time. I have plenty of working time. I just cannot drive slowly, yeah? So that's how it is. I want some chicken nuggets. Yeah, I want chicken nuggets. Okay, so we are going. I took like 10 parking places for normal cars to park here. But it's okay. It's okay. We are good. Now it's very important to get out from here. Oh yeah, that was perfect. Yeah, because we don't have time. We have just 8 minutes and 3 kilometers. Oh my god. We have to floor it. Fuck yeah. Come on, come on, come on. I think we can make it. Okay, so that's the place. That's the place. But from this parking we have to still get to the company. Give me a moment. Oh yeah. We are going to floor it through the middle of this parking. Yeah, just like that. We are going actually here. Oh yeah. That's a stop sign, but don't worry, this sign is not for us. And that's the company. And that's our parking. And we have still 5 minutes, look. Nice, nice. I like it. You know what? I want to have a peaceful night. So, I'm going to park like that here. Because, you know, our generator is not going to run at night. But other generators might run. Right? So I will park here. It's like, we have space, we can do it. "6:45 a.m. Welcome, good morning. Bulgarian morning, right? It's -7 degrees outside and we are going. The gate number is 56. Oh my god. "8 a.m. and we are empty and we can go, yes. I mean, we can go to office to wait for documents and then we can go. And you know what? We are going to Mersin. Yes, Mersin. It's going to be around 1200 kilometers in Turkey. So far away. Oh my god, so far away. I should be happy and I'm happy, okay? But it's cold and life is shit. But we are happy, yeah, we are going to Mersin. So far away. First time, you know, first time. Oh my god, finally we are out from this company. Oh my god, holy shit. Look at this. Look at this. 9:30 a.m. Yes. It took a while. It took a while. Seriously. Like 3 hours. Holy shit. Okay, and what is the plan? The plan is that we are going to Greece. Yes. I have around 120 kilometers to the border with Greece. And we are going to cross, yeah? And then we are going to cross into Turkey via Uppsala. Yeah, Uppsala border crossing. Yeah, and we will go to Kashan, and from Kashan we are taking ferry boat. Yeah, simple as that, simple as that. And obviously we are going to Mersin. Yes, Mersin, oh my god, Mersin, so far away. Loading is scheduled on Sunday, but I don't know which hour, probably afternoon, which is good because it's going to be hard to get to Mersin on Sunday morning, yeah. More likely it's going to be Sunday afternoon. Okay, so as you can see we have plenty of snow in Bulgaria, and right now we are using the same road that is going to Hamza Beyli. Yes. Whoa! The same shitty road. But later on we are going to basically turn right to a different road, and we will take the road to Svilengrad. Yeah, I think that you realize that we have oh yeah, bad road, yeah. I have already showed you many parts of this road. Holy shit. Oh my god. Give me a break. Okay, so that's the point when we are leaving this road and we will go right. And there is a police and they will probably ask me some questions.